Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Let me keep this video short guys. Very quick things in regards to Ethereum. You know I've been going on about Ethereum for the last few days, but I think it's the right thing to do. As you can see, Ethereum price is at the moment killing everybody else really on the market at $233, a market cap at 21 billion. An incredible achievement, less than half of the value of the market cap of a Bitcoin. I doubt anyone saw this coming. I did in the videos I made yesterday said that by the 31st of May I see Ethereum going back over $200, but as you can see guys, it's close to $235, and I wouldn't be surprised by the end of the day to reach $250, and possibly tomorrow once the Chinese exchanges start trading with Ethereum. I think Ethereum could even rise further to $300. Who knows? I think currently an amazing times for Ethereum, guys. And if you haven't heard, there's another one of the big three Chinese exchanges adding enabling Ethereum trading, the Okcoin, which is a huge player in the Asian market, and this is a fantastic opportunity for Ethereum being exposed even more onto the Asian market, which is enormous, guys. I mean, the Asian market is definitely huge. This is where, in a way, it all started in Japan, as we all know, the Bitcoin. So people down there really love the cryptocurrency, and I think they're definitely at the moment flocking and backing up Ethereum. If you read in regards to the Okcoin, they've actually been doing kind of like reviewing for the past 2 years and seeing, watching the viability of the listing of Ethereum and Ethereum coin based on factors including technical maturity, innovation, market liquidity, and compliance. Today we're formally launching Ethereum in the OK exchange. I mean, an amazing times, guys, really. And the price really proves that, when you have such a high price for such a short period of time, definitely that means there's a lot of demand for it. It may start falling when all this settles, once it's the Chinese exchange trades settle and see how much money really are people investing into Ethereum and backing up Ethereum. But at the moment, guys, one more quick thing I want to read for you, that hundreds of applications are now built on Ethereum, and a growing number of applications are using smart contracts run on Ethereum blockchain. It continued in support of the decision, also highlighting the major business power behind the recently formed Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. I think currently probably the applications built on Ethereum blockchain are probably the number one, surpassing the blockchain of any other coin. An amazing times, guys. And obviously every time I do these videos, I also look at especially when I see a huge jump in the price, I like to look at the return of investment, so we can see, does it make sense to continue, obviously, possibly building mining rigs, possibly investing in cloud mining, and hopefully if you haven't done it by now, these videos like this can help you make your decision. Of course, always remember, do your own research, invest money that you're happy to invest in this sort of things. And yeah, but I personally am heavily invested, and I think it is definitely the right decision for a long term, guys. I can definitely, as I said it before in other videos, see Ethereum being a huge player with a very high price. So real quickly now then, to look at the by the way, this is the Okcoin site. As you can see, it's a trading platform. Feel free to go and check it and read about it for yourself. It's always nice to learn new things. So let me first of all, guys, open. Now, one thing, as you know me, if you've been following me, I invest in Genesis mining, and I also have mining rigs mining Ethereum. So I have both. Now with the Genesis mining, I know that if you want to get yourself 100 mega hashes upgrade contract, for instance, it will cost you about $2,716. After the actual contract costs $2,800, but if you use my 3% discount code, it will only cost you 2,716. And if you do want to use my code for any of your upgrades, you can always find it in the description or in the comment section. By the way, guys, I'm not saying you should invest with Genesis Mining. You can obviously invest with any other cryptocurrency, um, you know, cloud mining company, or you can build your own mining rig. And of course, guys, another thing you can obviously do is buy Ethereum and hold. So if you do go with the Ethereum with Genesis Mining, 100 mega hashes, no power cost, a 2-year contract, $2,716, and let's hear and see the numbers. I've got a sense. Hold on one second. So here it is. I've already actually put it. That's the mining rig there. So here in the calculate, and let's go down and see what the results show, because obviously there's a lot of talk that currently Ethereum is not profitable and because of the difficulty. But looking at this, guys, this is an incredible number. This is better than yesterday. Now, if you're new to this, I'm sure some people down below the comment section will say, "Oh, but you know you're not calculating this properly. The difficulty will rise and all this." We all know that difficulties rises, but as you can see, also price rise. So obviously, I'm doing calculation for today. Anyone can do calculation tomorrow, day after, and so on and so on. I can only do the video and make a calculation to see what's the, if you want to upgrade today, what will be your returns. But no matter what, guys, if you can hold your Ethereum coins, you will always make huge profits out of it, because 126 days to break even is an amazing achievement. It's shy just a little bit more than 4 months. And looking at the dollars, $21 daily, weekly almost 150, monthly 641, and annually $7,806, which is an amazing profit, guys. And in regards to coins, I looking to mine about 30 coins. That's just the first year, guys. Even if this is reduces, if you do hold, I've talked about this. Can you imagine if Ethereum price goes all the way to 500? So if you times, even in 2 years, guys, let's say in 2 years you only mine yourself. Now this is obviously if you can hold. Let's say in 2 years you only mine yourself 40 coins, and Ethereum goes by the end of the 2 years up to $500, which I think it's possible. As you can see, you can easily make $20,000, guys, which is incredible, and that's just by Ethereum going to $500. And I don't see why not this happening. I really don't. I mean, look at it now, $233, incredible. So definitely an amazing investment, worth obviously doing so. Again, if you believe in it. And I'm not saying you should do 100 mega hashes upgrade. You can do 20, 5, 4, whatever you like. You can do even 500 mega hashes, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. But definitely looking at the 100 mega hashes upgrade, it's a very, very good investment. Actually, I did a video yesterday, and this is a better investment today, because obviously the difficulty hasn't risen so much since yesterday, but the price have jumped quite significantly. And this is where, as we can see, that despite the fact that difficulty is rising, if the price rises as well, or even rises quite significantly, we can still make very good profits. And with the Genesis Mining, this is a 2-year contract, guys. Now with the mining rig, I like doing this because obviously I do have a mining rig. Let's say 100 mega hashes. I'm not going to put the price because obviously 100 mega hashes depending on what cards you have. But let's say power watts about 800 watts to run for 100 mega hashes. Of course, this could be less or more, but doesn't matter. And 15 cents. And let's hit calculate. So we won't be able to see days to break even, but we can clearly see the profits down below. So after the power cost fee, obviously the electricity cost, daily we're looking at $18, weekly 126, monthly 543, and annually $6,618. Very, very profitable. Now don't get confused the mining rig with the cloud mining. It is slightly different, and 100 mega hashes will to get yourself 100 mega hashes will cost you much less than $2,700. But then of course you're gonna have to do a bit of work, look after the mining rigs, and be prepared really to put in a bit of your time as well. But whatever choice you decide to go for, it's very, very profitable, as you can see. And I know difficulty will rise, we all know that, so bear this in mind, guys, especially if you're new. But as you can see, even if that was to happen, I give you a small calculation of just mining 40 coins for 2 years, which I think is definitely possible. Now, if the post was to happen, which by the way nobody knows when it will happen and what will actually happen after post, because even if post happens, you never know, we may still be able to mine it for a while, and this while could be 1 year, 2 years, who knows really. Everything else is speculation at the moment. So if you can actually get yourself with this contract, let's say the 2-year contract, 40 coins, times it by 500, which I can guarantee you that this will happen, you can clearly see how much money you can make out of it. Well, there you have it, guys. Let's one last thing. Uh, let's refresh the coin market one more time. Where is it? I'm a bit lost. Here it is. And see, who knows, maybe the Ethereum's gone even higher. No, it's still at 233, but this is a very, very good price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my channel. If you are, feel free to subscribe and share. And also, as I said before, if you do want to upgrade, feel free to use my code. You can find it in the description section with Jenison Mining. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.